Hello everyone, welcome to my quantitative techniques lecture series. I hope you remember our previous classes wherein which we covered time series analysis. We have learned the types, we have learned the methods, and we have started with odd numbers moving average. In today's class, we are going to learn even numbers moving average. So here we have completed graphical or freehand methods, semi-average method, and we are doing the problems under moving average method. So let me take you to even numbers moving averages. We have seen the various concepts with respect to moving average. So it is a series of arithmetical means calculated from overlapping groups. That means from one group to another group we are going to switch. The major intention is to find out the trend line. The following data relates to annual sales in lakh rupees with a trend line by 4 years moving average. So I hope you can recall our previous class. In the previous class, we have done a problem for 3 years moving average. So here it is 4 years moving average. What will be the difference? Yes, so there are minute changes that you should consider. So in the previous class we done odd number, here we have taken even number. So that is the major changes in today's class. So I have considered the same problem, year and sales in lakhs. But the changes only here. So let me solve this problem. Yes. The first step is to find the moving average of 4 years. So for the first group, so the first group is 2012, 13, 14 and 15. So this is the first group for our moving average. So here, if it is the 3 years, we can easily find out the middle year. But it is the 4 years, that means even numbers. We cannot find any ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾವು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್, ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ your solution, you should keep one line pending in between the years. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2012 ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, 2013 ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, 14 ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ that you should keep one line space. So we cannot find out the middle year, but it is in between 2013 and 14, 2.5 years. So I'll write here. So here the group is 2012 to 2015, 4 years. So middle year we cannot find out. So middle years are 2013 and 14. So in between these 2 years I'm going to write. So here it is. Sales 112 lakhs plus 138 plus 146 plus, and here 154. So 4 years completed, 4 years average is, so divided by 4. If it is 3 years average divided by 3, 2 years average divided by 2, it's 4 years average, so divided by 112, 138, 146 and 154 divided by 4 years. So we will get the average of these years. can you tell me what is the average of these years? Yes, 137.5 lakh rupees. Sales in lakh they have given here. And the next group. So for the next group, we should leave 2012 and we should start from 2013. So 2013, 14, 15 and 16. So we should consider these 4 years. And the middle years are 2014 and 15. So I should write in between these 2 years. So I should consider 138. I should start from 2013. So 138 plus 146 plus 154 plus 170. So it should be the total and divided by 4 years. So average is 152. And the next group, I should leave 2013. So I should start from 2014. So 2014, 15, 16 and 17. The middle years are 15 and 16. I should write in between these 2 years. So here, the first year is 2014. So it is 146 plus 154 plus 170 plus 183. So whole divided by 4. So the average here is 164.75. And the next group is I should leave 2014 and I should start from 2015. 2015, 16, 17 and 18. The middle years are 16 and 17. In between I should write. So I should start from 2015, that is 154 plus 170 plus 183 plus 190 whole divided by 4 years. So the average is 175.75. Yes. So we have considered the year from 2015. So for the next group, I should start from 2016. But you can see here, if I started from 2016, the first year is 16, 17, 18, and I should consider 2019 also. But there is no data regarding 2019. So we cannot find the complete 4 years data. So for that reason, I'll keep pending. So I'll not do the next group. I'll consider the groups in which I can find the complete number of years. ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ನ ಡಾಟಾ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So here, I hope you can easily do these kind of moving averages. I hope you can able to identify now what is the difference between odd and even numbers. If it is the odd numbers, we can directly take the middle years and against this we can write. But in case of even numbers, we cannot write against the middle year because we cannot find out the middle year. We have to write in between the middle years. Of course, the next step is to put these informations to graph. So for graph, I should copy the details of moving averages. So you can find here, just to put these data into line graph. So you can observe here, the blue color line represents sales in lakh. So from this, we cannot write any conclusion because in the beginning it's increasing at a faster rate. So then it's slower, it becomes flatter almost till 2015. After that again increasing, and of course till 2018 it's increasing. So increasing become flatter, again increasing. So we cannot conclude anything on the basis of sales in lakh. But if you observe moving average, so you can easily find out. So we have got a straight line here. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಗ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಐದರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ and after that it gets rising again. So on this basis we cannot write any conclusion, but based on moving average, so here we can write conclusion because we have got a single straight line. So that is because we have to do moving average. That is the reason behind the moving average. So after this, suppose it's better to write a conclusion or interpretation. So from the moving average of sales in lakh, we can conclude that sales is increasing at a slower rate. So a slower rate ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೋಯರ್ ರೇಟ್. So this is how we need to solve the problem under even numbers moving average. Of course, here's a homework problem to you. So you should solve the problem, the same previous assignment problem, but the thing is, so here 2 years moving average method. So you should consider only 2 years moving average, 2008 and 9, then 9 and 10, then 10 and 11, 12, 13, 13, 14 and 15, 16. So this is how you need to solve the problem under moving average. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy learning. So we'll meet in the next class under the different method, considering equation method. Thank you.